What's up, guys? What's up? It's another day here fixing my f30. It's got it nice and clean, you know. And guess what we got? Bam! We got the AEW exhaust with the mid piping. Look at this beauty. This is gonna go in mañana. So we got that. Ooh. Oh, let me see. Oh my God, look at a closer look. Tuning. This is nice. So we got that, guys. And that's gonna fit right on this puppy here. You guys wanna see my mid piping? Okay. Go ahead and move this here. Alright. It's kind of difficult doing it one hand. Alright, guys. Really wrap this over here. Oh. Whoa. Ooh, mucho work. All right, guys, you guys stay tuned. If you like what I'm posting, you know, show some love. I'm not sure if it's up or down or sideways. I don't know. Show me some love. All right, boy. See you guys mañana.